Love or career?
For me, career.
Why?
Because love can wait, and if you really love the person, you're willing to wait for her to achieve her career in life. There's nothing difficult if you love a person, whether you choose your career than love.
Second question is, sasagutin mo ba yung guy na hindi pa financially stable or not?
Well, as a woman, I prefer a guy na financially stable because I do have dreams for myself and I want my partner to have him as well na may dream siya sa buhay. And about sa financially, if he's not financially stable naman, I'm sure he can work for it and marami namang ways. I just hope that he have a goal in his mind.
Karamihan kasi ngayon, 25 below ay nag-i-earn niya na mas malaki na pera kaysa sa before na age na yun. So anong masasabi niyo po doon?
Basically, for me, it's not that hard to earn, especially if you set your mind onto something that you want to do. And especially if you love what you're doing. So, ayun lang. Kung gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, mas mabilis sa'yo yung work.
So that's all guys. Bye-bye!